Have you ever tried sending updates to your customers on WhatsApp and suddenly your number got restricted? Or maybe you want to notify hundreds of your customers about something important like an event, offer, or even an auction alert, but sending messages manually one by one become impossible. This is the common problem many businesses faces because WhatsApp is one of the fastest and most direct way to reach customers today. Almost everyone checks WhatsApp multiple times a day, which makes a powerful channel or communication. But here's the challenge that when businesses try to send bulk messages the wrong way by using random tool and manual messaging, WhatsApp may flag the activity as spam, and that's when numbers gets limited or even banned. However, I am here to tell you about the most safest and official way to send WhatsApp broadcast without putting your number at risk. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how you can do that using an official WhatsApp automation platform. So let's get started. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/Chatflow. So the tool we are going to use today is Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is powered by the official WhatsApp Cloud API, which means you can send WhatsApp messages safely while following WhatsApp guidelines. Using this platform, businesses can send broadcast messages, automate conversations, and even build a complete WhatsApp chatbot to interact with their customers automatically. So in this page, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I want you to know that you can also purchase this Pabbly Chatflow tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. And the best part is that Pabbly Chatflow currently offers a free trial, so you can explore the platform and see how it works before moving to any paid plan. And if later you decide to purchase a subscription, you can also use the discount coupon code available on the screen to get a special discount on your plans. I am an Pabbly existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option, and after that you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button. And then you will arrive at the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. From here, the first step is to connect your WhatsApp number. In order to add your WhatsApp number, you will see one option by the name of plus add WhatsApp number inside the dashboard. Click on this option and follow the instructions to connect your number with the official WhatsApp Cloud API. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial for connecting your WhatsApp number, so you can also refer the video link in the description. Once your WhatsApp number is successfully connected, you will be able to start sending messages and creating automations. Now let's move to the most important part of this automation, which is sending the broadcast messages. On the left hand side panel, you will find the broadcast option. Click on this section. After that, you will come in this page. Here you have to click on this plus add broadcast button, and then it will ask you to select the broadcast type that I am going to select as broadcast campaign. After selecting the broadcast type as broadcast campaign, you have to enter the name for your campaign in this broadcast name field. I will name this campaign Auction Alert Notification. Now the next step is selecting the contact list. Well, this is the list of the people who will receive this broadcast message. If you already have a contact inside your account, so you can simply select the list from here. But if you are new and don't have any contact yet, then let me quickly show you how you can add them. So for that, go in this contact section from the left side menu. Here you will see the option by the name of plus add contact. Once you click on it, if you want, you can add contacts manually one by one by entering the name and phone number. However, if you have many contacts, then the easiest method is to uploading them in a bulk. So to do this, open the Google Sheet and create a simple sheet containing the details of your contacts, such as their name and phone number. Once you have added contact details, go to the files. After that, download this file in the CSV format. And once the file gets downloaded, you just have to click on this. After that, click on this add new file and just drag and drop this file here. And this is how easily you can add your multiple users contacts in your Pabbly Chatflow account. And once the file is uploaded, all contacts inside the file will be automatically imported in your Pabbly Chatflow account. And after successfully adding the file, you just have to click on this plus add contacts button. Here I have already created one list by the name of new lists where I have added only 17 contacts, but you can also organize your users contact number into a contact list, which makes it easier to send broadcasts to specific groups or customer. Now that our contacts are ready, we can return to the broadcast campaign setup and select the contact list that we want to send the message to, that I am going to select as new list. After selecting the contacts, the next step is choosing the message type. Two options, name as pre-approved template and regular messages. You can also send the regular messages to your users by selecting the message type from here and entering the message in this field. But if you're sending alerts, notification or important updates, then it is recommended to use a pre-approved template messages, because these templates are approved by WhatsApp and help ensure your messages follow WhatsApp guidelines. Let me show you the quick example by clicking on the select WhatsApp template button, and this is the template that I have already created by the name of auction alert. As you can see, the message welcomes the users and informing them about the upcoming auctions. Here I have designed this template by my choice, but you can customize it completely based on your own business. Now here is the interesting part, that this message is not just a one-time notification. Once the user click any of these options, the chatbot automatically continues the conversation. See, it is only made possible with the help of this flow that I have designed by using Pabbly Chatflow Flow Builder. I have already created a separate video of the detailed explanation how you can design this flow. Check the description below for the video link. This creates a fully automated conversations where customers can interact with your business without requiring manual replies. After selecting the template, I am clicking on this done button. Now I am going to explain you from where you can create this template. So you just have to click on this template features that are visible on the left hand side. After opening this template list, you will come in this page where you can create multiple types of templates. So for creating a new template, just have to click on this plus add template, and you can also generate a template by using AI by clicking on this option. Here I am going to show you the steps of how you can create the template by clicking on this add template button. And once you click on the add template button, then you will come in this page where you have to select the template category as marketing. After that, give the template name completely based on your own business. Let's say I want to give a template name as auction alert. After giving the name, you have to select the language that I'm going to select as English. Next, the variable I'm going to select as name. See, variable is used to send the message to the users dynamically. As in this tutorial, we are going to create a template that does not add any dynamic data. So I'm not going in deep in this, but if you want to learn more about this, then comment it below. I will create a separate tutorial for that too. After that, the template type I'm going to select as text. Next, the template header is an optional, so I'm not giving it. After that, the template format I'm entering in this field as hello, welcome to Elite Auction Gallery. As you can see that as soon as I have entered the template format here, it will give me the preview on the right hand side. So this is the look of the template that are going to visible in front of your user. After that, you can also enter footer in this field if you want to. Here with this message, I want to add 3 quick options. So for that, I'm clicking on this quick reply. After that, I'm adding the first button name as view upcoming auctions, and the next quick reply I am entering as become a bidder. And the last one is get auction catalog. See, our template is successfully created. After that, you just have to click on the submit button, and after some time your templates get approved. So this is how easily you can design a template by using Pabbly Chatflow. After selecting the template, here you will see one field by the name of username that I am going to enter as a smart user. After that, I want to send a test message. Just want you to check this broadcast. So for that, I am entering one number manually in this field. After entering the number, I am clicking on the send test message, and you will see it says that test broadcast sent, and you will see I have received the template message with 3 quick options, exactly same template that we have selected here. Once I click on this view upcoming auctions, then you will see I have received an automatic reply from the bot. It is only made possible with the help of this flow design that I have created previously. As we have successfully received the broadcast message, now I am moving forward to the schedule broadcast with two quick options, name as yes schedule for later and no send instantly. So if you want to send an instant broadcast message to your every user that were added in this contact list, then you just have to click on this no send instantly and click on this plus add broadcast. But if you want to schedule the broadcast for later, then you will select this option. After that, select the date and time from here. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast for 19 March and the time I am going to set as 5 p.m. After that, I am clicking on this OK button, and see, this is how easily you can schedule the broadcast message to your multiple users for any time with this. After selecting the time and date, I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button, and you will see the broadcast is created successfully and it is showing here as scheduled. You can also view the status of your broadcast by clicking on this view status button. Also export the report by here if you want to. Here you will also be able to see the campaign status, that how many messages were sent, delivered, read or failed, and if some messages fail, you can even resend the broadcast for those contacts. So this is how you can send the WhatsApp broadcast alert to your multiple users and automatically continue the conversation using the chatbot flow built inside Pabbly Chatflow. So what are you waiting for? Go and purchase this amazing automation tool. This will really helpful for your own business, and don't forget to use my coupon code MEHYT and grab an exclusive offers. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.